What do you Nerdigans? This is the one and only Packer Girl 89 of Nerdigans, and today's Manga Nerdigan live reaction video is going to be for Kengan Omega chapter 216. So before I get into this recap and live reaction, let me just remind you to hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons. And because of course this channel, let alone this video, are not sponsored, and we ain't sponsored by Comic-Key, and considering how much I've been promoting Comic-Key, it's kind of surprising, right? But if you love what we're doing and want to help keep this operation alive and kicking so we can keep bringing you more anime and manga content, whether it be news, analysis, or live reactions like this one, feel free to hit up our Cash App and PayPal. Links are in the description box below. So, dude, I swear to God, the connector is such a troll, and I absolutely live for it. And Deromion, the art for this is incredible. Oh my God. I can't wait to see what we're gonna get this week. Oh, I really can't. Anyways, let's get to this chapter, see what's in store for us today. And this chapter is titled The Boy That Day. I changed my mind. I'll give you the chance to kill me. Oh, Makaku's like freaked out. Ooh. He's just getting more and more dangerous. What the hell kind of chance is this? Dude, this aura is everything. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's see. Will this do it? I've relocated my tendons and suppressed my muscle power output. I also limited my joints' range of motion. I brought my neurotransmission speed down to the lowest setting and shut down some of my brain circuits. What the fuck is this man? I've come down to your level. Let's enjoy the moment. What is this man? He can do this? He can lower his neurotransmission and shut his brain circuits down? What the fuck is this man? Ooh. Dude, keep in mind, if Oma and Ryuki are clones of this man, they can do this shit too. They could do this shit too. Oh my God, I would love to see it. Too slow. Your body's awfully sluggish. Are these your senses in action? They must be a real handicap. Ooh. Ooh. Did get a hit in there, Makaku. Those ripples look nice. Here we go. Nico style. Adamantine kata. Iron breaker. Let's go. Iron breaker. Iron breaker. Iron breaker. Iron breaker. Iron breaker. Oh, yeah, they ain't working. Not bad. Not bad at all, Makaku. You want to have another go, or should we end this? Dude, this man is a troll. Oh my God, I can't take it. You've got to be kidding me. I've gone groggy after just 3 hits? That was no fib. He's this strong even when he's hampering his power. That means his full power was so tremendous I couldn't even fathom its danger. Dude. This man is too OP. Oh my God. I will be so happy. I don't care if it's the connector or what, or whoever. But if it's the connector that kills Koga and sets Ryuki the fuck off, I will be so happy with that. I will be satisfied with that. Let this the only reason the connector wouldn't be able to kill Koga is because of the bromance he has with his uncle. He don't want to fuck that up. That's the only reason he wouldn't kill Koga. Only reason. But God damn it, I just want that 29-cent McDonald's hamburger to just go down already. I'm sick of him acting like a Big Mac. No, he not a Big Mac, and he no Baconator either. Nah, Asta's a Baconator, but he not a Baconator. No. Whopper maybe. You know what? Because I have Asagi and Blue Lock as the 29-cent McDonald's burger, that ain't fair. That ain't fair to Koga. Oh god, I can't believe I'm saying that fair to Koga or Asagi. But um, I feel like a Whopper is more appropriate. We'll use a Whopper for Koga. Right? Yeah. Koga is a Whopper. He ain't no triple Whopper. Nah. Nah. Nah, 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 nah. Bruh, you gotta stop. You gotta stop. You ain't no triple. You don't even have bacon on you. No. No. I feel like I should say he's a Whopper trying to act like a Baconator, Wendy's Baconator. I don't know. You gotta at least be a triple Whopper before, with cheese before you move on to like a Wendy's Baconator or like hell, even a Nation's bacon cheeseburger. Oh my god, I want a Nation bacon cheeseburger so bad. Fucking diet is preventing this from happening. Lucky me, he went out of his own way to come within my reach. Dude, I love Bukaku's looks right here. I see you're choosing to try again. I just don't understand. If I'm picking up an exceptional hatred from you, do you really hate the former me that much for killing your comrades in Woewing? Weren't your so-called comrades total strangers to you? Before that, dig a little deeper into your memories. My memories? Oh, I see you're that boy. 85 years ago in China, Kabukaku's vendetta against Shen Wuling began on this day. Ooh, so we're gonna find out the truth about the Mikaku's grudge to the connector. We have to wait till next week though? Oh, it's not fair. Oh, it's not fair. Dude, but the connector's too OP. Do I want him to be nerfed though? No, don't nerf. Like, he can. The connector can nerf himself. That is fucking insane. The connector can nerf himself. That's extremely OP. Like, what the fuck? This is insanity. Oh my god, this is insanity. Part of me wants the connector to get to Ryuki. Like, part of me wants it. Part of me wants it. But the other part of me is like, I kind of want the worm to kill Koga and activate Ryuki as the final Omega. I feel like that is the only way. I feel like that's the only way Ryuki's gonna activate as the final Omega is if Koga dies. Or is it, no? Yeah, that's gotta be. Yeah. Sandrovich, you set this up. You set this up that Koga is going to die as the Whopper. Oh god, I feel like the Whopper is a bad. He's one of the, you know how there's the dollar, like the value menu like burgers on the Burger King menu. He's one of those burgers, and he's trying to be like a triple Whopper. That feels like a better analogy for Koga. Not even a single. He's not even a Whopper. He's one of those value burgers, like the value cheeseburger on the Burger King menu. You're not even a Whopper yet. Nah, you're not even a Whopper yet, Koga. You're what? Now I know what it is. He's like the Western burger, you know, that has the onion rings and the barbecue sauce. That's what he's like. One of those value burgers. Either he's that, where he has a little something going. I could say value cheeseburger, but he has a little something going. He has a little something. So that's why I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. He's not like Asagi where like there's really like nothing where he's like a full-on Gary Stew. No, Koga has got a little something. I'll give Koga a little something. I don't want to be a complete asshole. Koga will get like the Western burger treatment on Burger King. I'll give you that. I'll give you that, Koga. I'm not a complete asshole. But you're trying to be a Whopper. you're trying to act like you're a triple whopper with cheese. You ain't that yet. Nah, nah. But I feel like that's the case. But there's also this with what the connector was saying about he can turn on his power, like he can fluctuate his power. And it also makes me think of Lancelot in Four Knights of the Apocalypse, because he could do that too. But Yuki's going to be able to do the same thing with Final Omega, huh? After it fully awakens. But remember how the Final Omega woke up? Was how Naiden did it. I just feel like he's gonna fully awaken as the Final Omega when Koga dies. Just, I really hope that's seriously, Sandrovich, just do it. Not for just my sanity because I don't like Koga, but like, take the ballsy move. Seriously, just do it. Do it, do it, do it. It will be such a huge, like, it'd be a major one. It'd be like a major risk. But it doesn't even have to be the connector that does it. I mean, remember what, I think Okoye was saying that he didn't like Koga either. So you can have him kill him for all I care. I think Setsuna is trying to get the Final Omega activated anyway. You can have Setsuna set it up where Koga die, or Setsuna has Koga die. I don't fucking care. Koga just needs to die. Not just for my sanity again, because again I don't like Koga. He's too much of a Gary Stew for me. Well, not as much as Asagi is. God, Asagi is such a fucking Gary Stew. I can't stand Asagi. Asagi was getting out of the Gary Stew territory too. Stupid 29-cent McDonald's hamburger. Oh, I can't stand him. But nah, I'm very curious what you guys think of this chapter. I'm really excited to get to the bottom of this backstory with the connector and Mikaku. That's going to be very interesting. Right now, it seems like it's gonna involve Wulong killing his master. That's what it seems like. But we'll have to wait and see. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Nerdigans Inc. Love what we're doing and want to help keep this operation alive and kicking so we can keep bringing you more Record of Ragnarok, or not Record of, excuse me, Kengan Omega content. A few ways you could do that: donate to our Cash App, PayPal, Patreon, purchase something off our Amazon wishlist. All that's in the description box below. Also, make sure you follow us on Twitter, Twitch, Discord, friend us on PlayStation Network. That's in the description box below as well. Till next time, Nerdigans, I will be seeing you later. Bye.